Welcome back to Rusty's Restoration. Got a little bit different one here today. Actually, wait, no, not really. I'm going to be doing a lot of cutting and welding on this here 73 Datsun 620. Let's get started. Back on the Datsun 620 build, and before I'm putting the engine in, I have some rot to fix in the engine bay over there and over there. So I already cut out a piece of rot here and started making a patch, fit right in there. Can you guys tell me down in the comments, do you like watching me make patch panels like this, or do you just want me to skip that and go right to the time lapse of putting it in and shaping it in the car and all that fun stuff? Let me know. I do a heck of a lot of patchwork and panel shaping and stuff like that. I just don't want to be boring you guys with the same thing on different cars for every video. So let me know what you think down in the comments. To wire wheel these frame rails, clean them all up, hit them with some rust converter, some rust trap on there. I forgot to take a clip when I finished it, but you can see I finished all the patches over here and I painted them with rust paint. And if you go to the other side, I did the patch here, there's a patch there. Come on, focus. Focus, buddy. Okay, so there's a patch, there's a patch, there's a patch, and then there's the big patch on the side. So that should be the engine bay all set. And you can see there, I got the frame rails done. I did some of the apron around here, the inner fender, whatever you want to call it, and I did going up the radiator support here. And then go back to this side. It's the same on this side. You can't really see underneath the steering box, but I did the frame over there and all of that as well. You can see a little patch right there. I did do that there. And there's a big one I had to do right here for the headlight buckets because there's a bunch of rust right there. I don't think I set up a camera for that, so you probably won't see it. But yeah, that's what I got done. And I think that your next video will be dropping the engine in here, hopefully. That should be your next video. So, and as always, thanks for watching. If you like what we do here in our backyard bodgery and want to support us, leave a like, a comment, subscribe, all that fun jazz that all of your other favorite YouTubers say. And that'll really help us out with the algorithm and, you know, all that fun YouTube stuff that we don't really understand, but it's important apparently. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.